Hi, and thanks for coming to our virtual open house. My name is Linda Turshman, and I'm the teacher for Careers, Finance, and Technology, primarily a freshman course. As you probably know, we switch the students between health and the Careers, Finance, Technology course at semester. So I've only had these students a few weeks, but they've already done some very nice work. We start the semester by looking at the 7 habits to build wealth. Um, and then what they do is they create a project on how they can connect these concepts that people who are comfortable or wealthy do in their own lives. This student did a very nice job. As you can see, he really thought about the backgrounds, he thought about the pictures, he put citations and even found richest man in Babylon. He did some lovely animated transitions for the slide. He made personal connections. What we're trying to get kids to do is get used to the idea that 90% of what you earn is what you can spend to support yourself, but 10% belongs to you, them, us, whatever. And that's what we use for our future. So it's kind of the idea of pay yourself first, not last. Again, a very nice transition. Control your expenditures. Make your money work for you. We're right now working on compounding interest. Guard your treasures. That's the idea of having insurance. Profit from your home. Many wealthy people have made their money from real estate, and even families that are able to pass money on to their heirs have often made it through the home that they own. So real estate is a great way to build wealth. Prepare for your future, college, education, skills, whatever that looks like, but have the big picture in mind. And finally, the last skill is learn more, earn more. The more you know about how finances and everything works, the more likely you are to be successful. So he just did a very nice job on that particular activity. Another skill that we work on with freshmen is the idea of lending and borrowing money. Um, Credit can be fabulous. It can be also very dangerous. It's a sword that cuts two ways. So it's important that the freshmen learn the difference between lending and borrowing, and the fact that you can earn interest or pay interest, and the vocabulary that goes with that.
Once upon a time, a cat named Kitty wanted to borrow $100 from Barry to buy shoes. That means Kitty was the borrower and Barry was the lender. The loan was for $100. The money that Kitty borrowed was the principal. The lender, Barry, charged the borrower, Kitty, 10% per year. Every year, the borrower, Kitty, paid $10 in interest to the lender, Barry. When the borrower, Kitty, was done with the $100, she had to pay him back the principal to Barry, the lender. In the end, everyone was happy. The borrower, Kitty, got the shoes, and the lender, Barry, made some easy money.
As you can see from the video, she did a really nice job using the vocabulary. She's got the idea of principal, that you have to pay the principal back, you have to pay interest over time. She's charging 10%, which is a little high, but hey, she's 14. Thank you for your time, and hopefully your student will come home asking you some questions. And I'm not trying to get personal. I just hope to encourage some family discussions. And we will also be working on our career units as well. So please visit some of the other CTE, Career Technical Education videos, as we have some excellent career training programs on campus. Your child can graduate with some skills that will make them hireable. And thank you for your time.